What's up, ladies and gentlemen of the world? This is Kaikane here, coming at you once again straight out of Okinawa, Japan. I'm just at the beach chilling out, listening to some nice minimal techno. Today's episode is about a much long-awaited topic. How much money can you save teaching English or teaching in Japan? And it is relatively simple. I'm sure all of you have watched all of my videos, if not most of them, and have already read my book and done several consultations with me. For those of you who do not know, I'm putting it out at you once again. Basically, if you're working at a reputable and high-paying English school or university and busting out tons of private lessons a month, then you should be making at least anywhere from $5,000 to up to $10,000 US a month. And if you follow my 25% savings plan rule, then you are saving money. For example, if you're making $5,000 a month teaching at an English language school such as Berlitz and doing $2,000 worth of private lessons per month, then you're making $5,000 a month. Obviously, if you save 25% of that, you've got $1,250 per month. Multiply that times 12 for 12 months in a year, and guess what? You've got $15,000. Multiply $15,000 times 5 if you're teaching in Japan for 5 years. And guess what? You've got $75,000 of cold, hard-earned cash. If you're making $10,000 a month teaching at a university or reputable language school and busting out loads of private classes and saving 25% every month, that's $2,500 a month you're saving, times 12 equals $30,000. $30,000 times 5 is $150,000. If you're working more or saving more, then obviously, guess what? You're saving more money than what I have just described. Therefore, in conclusion, get rich teaching English, save your money, don't waste it. Until next time, check out my website, getrichtechingenglish.com, and get my book if you haven't. Also, I provide private one-on-one Skype consultations for those individuals who need further in-depth counseling on how to move abroad to teach English abroad in Japan or wherever it is you desire, and how to get rich teaching English. I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services that will definitely help you out on your journey. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, stay cool, stay focused, stay trained, stay hungry. Take it easy. Watch more of my videos, never give up, and peace out.